Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to use if for greater than and less than. So here I already put my Excel. So for example, I have this just random data, and then I want to search that in between, for example, 4 and 8, the number 4 and 8. So I put on the B column here equal to if, open the bracket, and in logical test you put AND operator. This is AND function. So this is, you can input two logical or more logical that your preferences. For example, if AND A1 greater than equal to 4, you then put the comma, and then A1 less than equal to 8. I forgot the absolute, put the F4, and then this is the F4 also, and then close the bracket for the AND function, and then comma, value if true. For example, if 4 and 8, for example, means A, and then if beside of that, for example, error, close the bracket for the if function, hit enter. Now this is error because the 10 value is more than 8. And then for 6, this is A, true, because it's between 4 and 8. And then I will drag to the bottom, just double click this box. Oops, wait. See, this is the result of if less than and greater than if function. That's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.